Hi loves! Welcome to this great new cardio legs workout. We're gonna work on great lean legs. We're gonna bring the heart rate a little bit up, so let's get started. Jump on your place and switch your feet to the front and to the back, up in the air, like a ballerina. Breathe in for 3 jumps and out for 3 jumps. Place your feet wide apart, toes pointed diagonal. Go through your knees and stand up straight. Balance on your toes, heels back on the ground and go through your knees. An easier modification is to just do a squat and not go on your tippy toes.
I can see you with my closed eyes. I can see you. I can see you. I can see you with my closed eyes.
Stand on the top of your mat, go into a lunge on the back with your right leg and stand back up. Bring your right heel towards the ceiling behind you, back in and repeat. An easier modification is to just stick with the lunge and to not lift the heel. Great job! Change sides. Sit on both knees, place one foot on the ground, the other as well, and place one foot on the ground and the other too. Stay low the whole time. You can do this. Do not forget to breathe in and breathe out. Great job! Stand up straight and move your arms above your head. Bring your heels one by one towards your butt and try to keep the pace high. Back to the ballet jumping. Inhale, in, outhale, out, out. Stand up straight, lengthen your right leg and bring your heel towards the front, in, towards the side and in. Keep repeating and inhale while you lower your leg and exhale while you upper your leg. Great job! Change sides. Jog on your place and bring your heels towards your butt. Inhale for 3 seconds and exhale for 3 seconds. Bring your legs one by one towards the side while you touch the other fingertips towards the ground. An easier modification is to just make steps like this. Keep going, we got this! Make lunges towards the front and change sides. This is the last exercise of the workout. You got this, keep going!
Sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day, but we are one step closer.
You did a great job! Thank you so much, you made it! I see you next time! Bye!